1 through 10, what you think about it now, man?
It's good, man.
It's good?
Let me go, man.
What? You wanted to take the 20 and dip, bro? What's the time looking like? You almost halfway there. You don't need to stop, bro. What? What? Hey, don't die on me now, bro. You need me to call somebody, man? You good, bro?
Don't go to sleep, twin. You spit on yourself.
Damn, bro. I might start the vid after this one, bro. Getting crazy out here, man. Shit, what? What? Damn, bro. What's the time looking like, bro? 2 more minutes. Let me go ahead and get the 50 ready for my boy, man. Damn. Damn, bro. If it's not nothing, though, why you on the ground, bro? You spin a little bit like it's hot.